I'm going to tell you something that might be hard to hear. Your Figma prototype is basically a lie. It is a slideshow of pictures, not a real feeling app. If you want to create a prototype so realistic that your users and clients cannot tell the difference from a finished product, you need a different tool. Today, we are comparing Figma's basic prototyping with the advanced power of a tool called ProtoPie. Let's start with Figma. Figma is where you design your entire app or website. Its built-in prototyping tool is designed to be fast and easy. Its main job is to let you connect your static screens together to show the basic flow of your application. You can create simple transitions like having a screen slide in or fade out, and you can make all of your buttons clickable. This is perfect for 90% of prototyping needs. It is great for quickly showing your team or your clients how a user will navigate from one page to the next. It is all about demonstrating the user flow simply and efficiently, all within the same tool you used for your design. Now let's look at ProtoPie. ProtoPie is not a design tool. You do not create your screens in ProtoPie. It is a dedicated and advanced prototyping platform. Its only job is to take your finished designs from a tool like Figma and bring them to life with complex, realistic interactions that feel just like a final product. This is the tool you use when you need your prototypes to feel exactly like a real coded application. In ProtoPie, you can create interactions that use variables and conditional logic. You can make prototypes that respond to the sensors in your phone, like the camera or the microphone. You can create text input fields that use the actual phone keyboard. It is for building prototypes that are so realistic people cannot tell the difference between the prototype and the final product. So which one should you use? The answer is that they are designed to be a perfect team. Almost every professional workflow starts in Figma. You create all of your beautiful screens and visual designs in Figma first. For simple click-through presentations to show a basic user flow, you can just use Figma's built-in prototyping tools. It is fast and convenient. But when you need to test a very specific complex interaction, or you need to present a hyper-realistic demo for user testing or to investors, you then import your finished Figma designs into ProtoPie. This is where you add the final layer of advanced magic. To put it simply, you use Figma for all of your design work and for your basic prototypes. You use ProtoPie when you need to create the most advanced and realistic prototypes possible. Knowing how to use both of these tools together will make you a much more powerful and professional designer. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this helps you understand how these two amazing tools work together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.